how to buy Sonic SVM token. This token came under the symbol of Sonic. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project or crypto that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, make sure to check the TheRichTech account and keep following their updates about this token and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a big community there. They have a 500,000 followers. Now this token is available on CoinGisco, as you can see. So to be able to buy this token, you have two options in the markets if you want to buy it. As you can see, you have a lot of platforms here, or if you want to buy it on your wallet, you can use this token at this. We will see the two options. Now the first option is go and buy it on this platform exchange platforms. If you have the BingX, Mixi, BitGet, OKX, or anything that's related to this exchange platforms. For example, I will use the Mixi. If you click on appear here, you will be redirected to Mixi account websites on your account to be able to buy this token. Make sure to log into your account and deposit some money there to be able to buy this token. Now, to be able to buy it, we will use this option of buy. You have two options here under that buy option. You have limit and market. In the limit, see here how much you want to buy. Of course, if you don't have funds, you can see here how much you will buy. So for example, if you want to buy 1,000, you will see here the equivalent of that amount in USDT that you will pay. After that, click on buy or drag this to set how much percentage you want to buy with USDT to be able to buy this Sonic token. So after that, click on buy. In the market, you have only one option. Drag this to set how much percentage you want to buy with USDT on your Mixi account to enable this token. So this is how to buy it on the exchange platforms. If you want to buy it in your wallet, of course, you can copy the token address from here and open your wallet, for example, BitGet wallet. And after that, go to your wallet, select this one as a network, click on this plus icon, place the token address here. And as you can see, if you first time that you want to add it, you will see this plus icon, click on it. Now go back to your wallet to be able to find it. Just scroll down, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is it. Now just click on it, and after that, click on swap and switch from here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. Now make sure you have an USDT in your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it's how much you receive of that token. Now after that, click on buy and you will buy it on your wallet. If you use the Bybit wallet, for example, now here select the token, the network as Solana, click on these three lines, click on this plus icon, make sure to select Solana as a network, place the token address here. You will see it here as Sonic, click confirm. Now to make sure that you added successfully to your wallet, now go back, and after that select the Solana as a network from here. Now find your token. As you can see, this is it. Now after that, click on this swap and you will be redirected to Bybit exchange to be able to complete the buy process. After that, switch it from here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. Make sure you have enough USDT in your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy with a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. Just click on swap. So if you use the Phantom wallet, it's the same as the Bybit and BitGet. Click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, click here and paste the token address, as you can see, to be able to find the right one. This is it. Now click on it. Now after that, type here how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. Select the provider from here, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information and click on swap. After that, you will be redirected to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. After that, if you face any issues, let's go back to this page, switch the slip patch from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So as you can see, guys, this is how to buy Sonic SVM token in the exchange platforms and on your wallet. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.